How to fix can't remove followers problem, easy and quick. If you want to remove your followers and there's a problem that stops you from removing them, I will show you how to fix it. It's easy. First go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then go to apps again. After that go to Threads. Now force stop the application and then go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and turn off your Wi-Fi. After that open Threads and now turn on the Wi-Fi again, and then just wait a few seconds. After that you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.